Hey guys, it's your girl Ivy here. I'm about to give a review on the Moisture Remy Rain hair that I have in my head right now. It's looking all kinds of messy. But first I'm gonna show you how I straighten it so you can see that, and then I will do my review on it. So sit tight.
Turns on you. Before I knew it, I was head too deep. What can I say? Some things just take never be. There's this trouble and I'm going away. Could read us to you if that's how you play it. It stops right here. I'm throwing you back in.
Alright guys, it's time for the review. So the name of this hair that I just straightened, as you saw, is the Moisture Remy Rain, and it's at the beauty supply store. It's just at any beauty supply store. I have 2 packs in, both 14 inches. My overall rating for the hair would be a 3.5 out of 5. I like this hair a lot, actually. I liked it from the beginning. At the very beginning, it was perfect, you know, very soft, very smooth and pretty. And even now, you know, after 8 weeks have gone by, yes, 8 weeks, you can tell by my edges, you know, it's still pretty smooth and soft. You know, we run into a few problems here and there, but it's nothing that can't be fixed with time and care. Okay, for the shedding, it sheds. the package promises miracle weft that reduces shedding or eliminates shedding. I don't know what it said, but that's not true. I cut my wefts and I did not have them sealed, so that is probably part of the problem, but it does shed. For the first like 3 weeks that I had it in, it didn't shed. I mean, I saw like maybe 2 or 3 strands every time I would finger comb or, brush it. But after that, it sheds regularly, and it sheds a lot. It's nothing, I mean, all hair sheds, so it's nothing like, it's not bad. It sheds, but it's nothing, I mean, it's just expected. When you get hair from the beauty supply store, typically it's going to shed. You just have to take care of it. As far as tangling and matting, if it's not taken care of, like any hair, it will tangle and it will mat. I had a few experiences where it was so bad that I like had to go get a brush and I couldn't just run my fingers through it to get it out. But I mean when like I slept on it and then didn't even really take care of it in the morning and just went somewhere and it was looking a mess. For the tangling and the matting, I like to use the Dove Style Plus Care Cream-Serum for Frizz-Free Shine. That's really nice because it keeps it pretty much however you style it in the morning throughout the day. You can run your fingers through it, no problems with tangling or anything like that, whether it's straight or curled, which is great. For my shampoo and conditioner, I use the Moroccan Argan Oil Organix. You can get this at like Walmart or Target or anything. And I use the shampoo and the conditioner. Those are my favorite. They smell good. If it starts acting kind of strange, just wash it and condition it, and it'll bounce back to life. That's one thing I loved about it. That's the reason I've been able to keep it in for 8 weeks, because it usually bounces back to life after a wash. I try not to put too many products in it, just because I hate when the hair feels really heavy. So usually when I curl it, I may put a little bit of mousse in it, just a very little bit, just so it'll hold the curl. But I usually try to wash it out like that day. As far as curling goes, with heat, I find that it doesn't hold curl at all. Like, even if I put mousse in it, within the next hour, they usually fall to like waves. So I discovered that if you use the flexi rod method or actual rollers, it will hold curl much better, and it looks so pretty when you do it that way. I'm actually going to upload a video of me flexi rodding it later. But it flat irons well, as you can see. I use heat protectant. I don't have that with me right now, but any kind of heat protectant I feel like is fine. And would I use it again? I probably would. I'm actually about to go on a virgin hair journey, I like to call it, and I'm going to go into that for a little bit. But as far as beauty supply store hair, it's probably my favorite of all the beauty supply store hair I've ever used. And yeah, I like it. It served its purpose, and it was definitely